There's like several dozen videos and they're all wrong. Wrong, and I hope I'm gonna be right, because then I'm just gonna be adding to the wrong pile. We're gonna be trying to fix window gussets on the Subaru Forester today. Let me show you. The window generally comes from where the mirrors are. Problem is as follows. Frameless design looks cool. However, as this gusset here ages, it spreads further and further apart, and that's what's creating the wind noise in your Subaru. Now, a lot of videos have a lot of different solutions for this. Some people have stuck seal strips into any which place here. People have stuck rubber tubing into this gap here. They've stuck yet more rubber things into this gap here. Other people say you remove this here and the mirror and you use a heat gun and vice clamps to squeeze it together, but that's a temporary fix. So I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. I'm gonna clean in here first because I'm gonna use this weather stripping here that has some sticky tape. Moist towel, let's just get in there. I'm gonna remove this, I'm gonna squeeze the gusset, and I'm gonna add the weather strip on the other side. 2 strips, about 6 inches. Mind the cut to conform with the angle here. Use a flathead to flatten it where you can't see it. Roll the window up. Let it sit like this so that the rubber gets to conform. Pop this cover off, flathead. Vice grips in, 3 of them. We just want to get even pressure so we close the seam here. A few minutes. Vices off, window in. Just to make the top end conform. All right, good. Go for it, test drive. My battery's dead, nice! Just wanted a quiet ride, just wanted a quiet car. But no, it's gonna be an all-day project.
It's always an all-day project.
Left side, right side. The real question is, will this last? I don't f***ing know, but I guess we're gonna find out. And I will leave a comment about a month from now to see if it's still holding up. Now get the f*** out of here and go do a fakey varial flip. And as always, honk like and obliterate that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
Yeah!